Welcome to our exploration of the Arthur Heurtley House, a masterpiece by the legendary architect Frank Lloyd Wright. In this video, we'll delve into the architectural brilliance behind this prairie-style gem. By the time Frank Lloyd Wright designed the Heurtley House, he had perfected his concept of a fitting house for the Midwest prairie. Wright's design philosophy was clear: simplicity and functionality. He eliminated the attic and basement, favoring a more practical layout. The chimney subtly rises above the gently pitched roof. The exterior is primarily constructed of brick with stucco surfaces on the upper floor. Wright's use of alternating projecting brick courses adds a unique touch. Notably, he introduced projecting brickwork in the loggia at ground level. The house's plan is rectangular, but Wright introduced several projections, such as the playroom and bedrooms, breaking the otherwise solid character of the building. He also utilized 45-degree triangular prows, creating more interesting elevations. Inside, Wright's design genius shines through. The interior wood trim, cabinets, and most of the furniture are of his own design, creating a cohesive and harmonious space. The Heurtley House is solid and monolithic, a testament to Frank Lloyd Wright's architectural prowess. Located near his own home and studio in Oak Park, this residence reflects the remarkable evolution of his work. The house's rectangular form and monumental massing evoke his earlier Winslow house, but it showcases the emergence of Wright's mature prairie-style design vocabulary. Wright's use of two colors of Roman brick and a continuous band of leaded glass casement windows on the upper level further emphasize the horizontal form of the building. Inside, the house offers a unique spatial experience. Principal rooms are elevated to the second story, creating open, light-filled spaces. A substantial arched fireplace in the living room mirrors the arch on the exterior, and leaded glass windows flood the main living spaces with light. Let's take a closer look at the floor plans of the Arthur Heurtley House, designed by Frank Lloyd Wright. These plans reveal the genius of Wright's architectural vision and the seamless integration of form and function. As we examine the ground floor plan, you'll notice a few key features. At the heart of the house is a generous playroom, a space designed for relaxation and family gatherings. Adjacent to it, you'll find two bedrooms, a servant's room, a bathroom, a laundry area, and storage space. A rear entry connects to the servant's room, and there's a staircase leading up to the kitchen. Moving to the main floor, it's divided into the living room and dining room, which are open to each other. A large covered veranda off the living room creates a seamless transition between the indoor and outdoor spaces. At the other end of the dining room, you'll find a charming niche for a breakfast nook bathed in natural light from 4 leaded glass windows set in the prow. Wright's attention to detail is evident in the interior design. Note the wood strips or back band used in the dining room ceiling, which echoes the spacing of the window mullions and adds to the aesthetic appeal. Throughout the Heurtley House, Wright's design is characterized by straight lines and geometric precision. As he once said, everything was done with a T-square and a triangle. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through one of Wright's residential masterpieces. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more architectural explorations. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever visited the Heurtley House or other Frank Lloyd Wright designs? We'd love to hear your experiences and thoughts.